Hunterdon and Somerset. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for small streams in southeastern Hunterdon County in northwest New Jersey, southwestern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, until 4:15 a.m. At 12:11 a.m., the Neshannock River in both Hunterdon and Somerset counties was rising. The gauge at Areal was above flood stage. Pike Run at Belmead in Somerset County was also rising rapidly. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or has been reported. All interested parties should take necessary precautions. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. If flooding is observed, act quickly. Move up to higher ground to escape flood waters. Do not stay in areas subject to flooding when water begins rising.